Once the product has been paired, we need to look at the minimal configurations. Firstly, deactivate and activate the electronic charger. The Trydan charging point can be deactivated or activated to prevent use by unauthorized third parties. When you deactivate the charger, no one is allowed to use it, not even the owner. If the charging point is connected and deactivated, the car will not charge. How do I deactivate and activate charging point? There are two ways of doing this: from the mobile application, from the main windows by clicking on the button below, and from the page of the charge point itself by clicking on the padlock symbol. From the web platform, it's the same. Inside the charging point, click on the padlock icon. You can also deactivate the charger from the bottom panel of the side by pressing the button for a 5 seconds timer. When it comes to recharging time, it's worth nothing that chargers with V2C Cloud can easily time recharging. You can do this from the mobile application by clicking on the recharge point and then on the calendar icon. There are two timers, timer 1 and timer 2. Simply select the day of the week and the time you want to activate. You can combine the two. For example, Monday from 5 to 7 in timer 1 and Monday from 9 to 11 in timer 2. So that between 7 and 9 o'clock, the recharging point will be stopped. Once programmed, the main page will show the time of the next charge. Via V2C Cloud web platform, the procedure is very similar to that of the mobile application. You select the charge point, then the calendar symbol, and the charge is programmed in the same way as in the mobile application. Dynamic power control can also be activated via the mobile application and web platform. In the V2C application, inside the charger, select the configuration icon. Then select Dynamic Power Control and the activation button. In the meter section, select the meter you have and add the IP. Note that the V2C 2.0 meter is the one that comes by default with the charger, the one you will install most of the time. In addition to this meter, the charger can establish a direct connection with other photovoltaic meters and inverters as long as they are connected. Simply select the one you have and the type of installation, and the recharging point will start. All the meter and inverter models compatible with wireless technology are described in Chapter 3 on integrating photovoltaic energy. If there is no internet connection, a connection can be established between the charger and the V2C Cloud app via Bluetooth. You can also configure dynamic power control via the computer. By entering the configuration section of the charger, you can enable and disable dynamic charging control and select data in the same way as in the mobile app.